Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Panel Van Commerce Pro finished in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. The Leighton Kombi Kit conversion includes features such as 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels along with side skirts, sidebars, a front bumper splitter and a rear spoiler. Power adjustable heated and folding mirrors add everyday convenience, while automatic headlights help to maintain optimum visibility. The 360 degrees camera system includes front, rear and side cameras and works alongside front and rear parking sensors to make manoeuvring straightforward. Access to the load area is easy with the rear tailgate. There are also side sliding doors on both sides for easy entry for the rear passengers, with the rear seating area which includes 3 individual seats as part of the Leighton Kombi conversion kit. These seats include armrests and the centre one can be folded down to provide cup holders and additional storage. The rear windows include blinds for added privacy and comfort for the passengers. Inside the cab, electronically controlled air conditioning and heated seats ensure year-round comfort. The seats are finished in leather for a sophisticated appearance, and the driver will benefit from the electronic controls. There is storage available throughout the interior, including a dedicated glasses or sunglasses compartment to keep them from being lost or damaged. USB ports and a wireless device charging pad keep devices powered, while a rear-view camera system with integrated dashcam functionality adds extra safety and convenience. The heated, leather-wrapped, multifunction steering wheel includes adaptive cruise control with a predictive speed limiter for relaxed driving on longer journeys. You can also navigate through the digital cockpit. And for connectivity and entertainment, this transporter is equipped with DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You will also benefit from the navigation system keeping you en route, and from the screen you can view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your camera system and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter T32 Panel Van Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.